Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video we are going to create a 3D wireframe grid using Python. So firstly let us import the required libraries. So here NumPy, this is used for efficient numerical operations, especially creating arrays. In this case it is used to store the vertices of the 3D wireframe. And matplotlib.pyplot, this is a plotting library used for creating static, animated and interactive visualization. And MPL toolkits, this is an extension of the matplotlib library that enables 3D plotting. It allows us to create 3D visualizations like wireframe. And now we'll create the figure and the axis. So plt.figure, this creates a figure of size 10 into 10 inches and the figure size argument sets the overall size of the plot. And figure.add subplot, this adds a 3D subplot to the figure, meaning we will be plotting a 3D data. So here the 111 means 1 into 1 grid, which is first subplot. And the projection 3D is argument that specifies that we want a 3D plot. And now we'll define the vertices of the cube. So here vertices is a NumPy array containing the 8 vertices of a cube, and each vertex is represented by its XYZ coordinates in 3D space. And 0, 0, 0 is the origin, the starting point. So the other vertices define the corner of a unit cube with each coordinates either being 0 or 1 to form the edge of the cube. And now we'll define the cube's edges. So here first line is the bottom square and second line is the top square and the third line is the vertical connection between top and bottom. So here edges defines the connection between the vertices of the cube or lines. Each pair of indices, for example 0, 1, 1, 2, these refers to the vertices that should be connected. And the first 4 edges from the bottom square of the cube, the next 4 edges are from the top square, and the last 4 edges are the vertical connections that connect the top and bottom squares forming the sides of the cube. And now we'll plot the cube's wireframe. So here for edge in edges, this loop iterates over all the edges defined in the edge list, and vertices edge. This selects the pair of vertices from the vertices array using the indices specified in the edge list. And here the zip function unpacks the vertices and prepares them in the format required for plotting, separating the x, y and z coordinates. And here ax.plot 3D, this function plots the 3D lines connecting the pairs of vertices for each edge, and it takes the x, y and z coordinates of the two vertices and plot the line between them. And color is equals to b, this sets the color of the lines to be blue, and line width is 2, this sets the thickness of the lines to 2. And now we'll set the title and labels. So here ax.setTitle sets the title to the plot with a font size 20, and ax.setLabel sets the x-axis label, and ax.setYlabel sets the y-axis label, and ax.setzLabel sets the z-axis label. And this ensures that the aspect ratio of the plot is equal to the 3 dimensions, and this makes sure the cube looks proportionate rather than distorted regardless of the plot window size. And at last we'll display the plot, and this displays the plot in the window, and the plot will remain interactive, so you can rotate and zoom it in the 3D view. So here we can see a 3D wireframe grid. So thanks for watching this video.